The second point, I told dream big. Dream big. Okay. So the bigger problem, why you didn't achieve big success. Why you didn't achieve big success? Bigger problem is you didn't think about that. Hare, why you didn't start software company? Your thinking is always, I want to get the software job, I want to get the software job. Your thinking is always in that only. Then where is the question? Have you ever thought, I want to start my own software company? That is a bigger problem. Think big. Think big. Whatever you want in your life, universe definitely is going to provide. Universe definitely is going to provide. But only three things must be required. You can ask anything, man. I want to become president of America. I want to become president of India. Or I want to become a big software company. I want to beat Elon Musk. Whatever you have in your mind, universe is always going to provide. Universe is always going to provide. It never going to worry about, universe never going to worry about, is it small thing or is it big thing? It never going to worry. Remember this one, right? It never going to worry. Is it a small thing or is it a big thing like that? So now observe carefully about this terminology. Okay, like that. But there is some process is there to achieve that. There is some process is there to achieve that. What is the formula? I told. What is the formula? A, B, R. What is that formula? A, B, R. Okay? A means what?
Ask.
Ask clearly. Ask clearly. By end of next year, I want to earn 1 crore rupee. Okay. So by end of next 5 years, I want to build a big software company. My position is like this. Ask clearly. That thing must be required. Okay, clear. You should be very specific what you want. Okay, there is no confusion because generic words, vague words, universe is going to get confusion. Okay, universe should not get any doubt at all. Oh, this person required exactly this. There is no doubt at all. Okay, like clear clarity will be there in your asking, in your dream, in your goal. So ask clearly. What the second one?
Belief.
Remember, B-A-B-R. Ask clearly. B means what? B means what? Believe. Believe fully. Believe fully. So, 100% pakka, it's going to be happen. 100% pakka, it's going to be happen. 0.0001% doubt is also not there. If you are doubt, at least 0.0001% doubt is there, then automatically, do you know that thing you never going to achieve? 100% pakka, that one is going to be happen. 100% pakka, that one is going to be happen. 100% you should have belief. Okay, in your mind, array may not happen. Some negative thoughts are coming. Immediately, you require to replace negative thoughts with the positive thoughts. Array, big things are happening in this way. Definitely, by case also, it's going to be happen. My dream is already started. My dream is already on the way. Immediately, you have to replace. Okay, 100% pakka you require to believe. That thing must be required. Next, A, B, what is the last one?
R.
What is the meaning of R here? Sir, feel to receive with joy and happiness. Feel to receive with joy and happiness. So, assume that thing is already happened. Assume that's already happened. Yes, my dream is I want to be software company owner. Assume that. Then obviously, yes, already that company started. Lakhs of employees are already working with me. So I'm the CEO of that company or I'm the owner of that company. Yes, I'm already there in my premises. Then I'm seeing all that feel you have to get with the full joy and with the full happiness. That thing must be required. If you are not having the dare to dream like that, sorry man, you are not eligible for that dream. A, B, R. That thing must be required. Receive. Receive means you have to visualize that thing is already happened. That thing is already happened. Like you require to visualize that. So every day, whenever you have the time, you require to assume that yes, already, okay, I achieved that. Already, I achieved that. Like so, suppose my kid dream is he want to become scientist. Assume that my kid dream is he want to become scientist. So wherever he has the time, okay, just 2 minutes or 5 minutes, just close his eyes. I became already scientist. I'm doing scientist related activities. Okay, like, so I'm feeling very happy. I'm feeling very joy. If we visualize like that, so then obviously one fine day he will become scientist. Every day he required to visualize. That visualization I compare with one analogy. What is that point? Have you remembered? Visualization I compared with one analogy. Watering to a plant. So just you seed, you planted a seed. Every day you require to water, then the plant will become a big tree over a period of time. That watering for your dream is nothing but what? Visualization. Watering to that dream is by default considered a visualization. That thing is very, 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 very important thing. So ask, believe, receive. Anything you want. Law of attraction. Universe is always going to provide. But this formula you require to follow.